In this video, I will show you how to change Instagram notification sound on your iPhone. Currently, Instagram doesn't allow you to change notification sounds directly from the app, but there is a simple workaround to do this. First, we need to enable Instagram notifications. To do that, open Instagram app on your iPhone. Now tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right side. Next, tap three horizontal lines located in the top right side. Now on the settings screen, tap Notifications. Now tap Messages. Here, make sure that all the notification options are turned on. Now we will change the notification sound on your iPhone. To do that, open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Next, tap on Text Tone. Now here you need to choose notification sound that you like. And that's it. Now your Instagram notification will play the sound that you have selected. Note that this method changes the notification sound for all the apps that use default text tone, not just Instagram. Hopefully, Instagram will add more customization options in the coming future. If you find this video helpful, like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.